Well, I got a fun and useful product to show you today. What we have here is an underground metal detector. So what this enables me to do is I can locate coins, missing rings, property lines, anything that's metal. And this really easy to assemble. It comes, it's just a few pieces. So this cord here just plugs into the back here. And I just kind of wound the cord around the actual wand, just so it's not flopping around. But all you do is I can unscrew this here and remove this portion. So it's just 3 pieces. But let me just put that back on. Get it to the proper size. And I'm going to just get this plugged in here first. And then it also has this arm band here. And that is just simply held on by this just screw right here. Unscrew this, and then this arm simply pulls out. So really easy. Likewise, same type of screw to mount the actual like receiver or display to the wand. So real easy. So what I'm going to do is, oh, and it also has a set of headphones. But I think the best way to do it is we'll go outside and show you how it works. Maybe try to find some different coins in the grass. All right, to operate it, super easy. If you want to use the headphones, they just plug right into here. I should mention, it comes with 2 9-volt batteries, and they go up the one here and one here. But back to, all you do here is the power on, so I'll turn it on. This is also the sensitivity button, so you could turn it, the sensitivity down or up depending on. Also has a volume. Now here on the side, you'll notice it says all metal. Now when it's at the very end like this, it, like it says, it will locate any type of metal. Now as you turn this dial to the right, you can eliminate certain metals. For instance, in the manual, it'll describe like at 11 o'clock, it would eliminate, for instance, like copper. So in my opinion, the best thing to do is just play around with it. So what I'm going to do for demonstration purposes, I have a ring here. And we'll just put that ring in the grass. And what you do is you just wave the detector over the, see, you can hear it. As I'm going over, you hear that beeping noise. And as I go away, it stops. So again, let's go by that ring, and you can just hear it. Now, that is with a ring. Let's try, what I'll do next is I'll put, for instance, like a dime on the ground. Let me just throw that. So that's on the ground. So obviously we can't see that dime, but if I were to just go sweep above the ground. Oh, it's picking something up. Okay. And again, it's the best way to do it is just, oh, all right, we got it, is just practice. And, depending upon what you're looking for, turn this, and I like to practice with pennies. I could, put a penny on the ground, and it will find that as well. Oh, there it is. All right, see, so as you can see, it can locate pennies, dimes, and rings. It's just so simple to use. That's it. And then to turn it off, all you do is just turn it back to the left, and it shuts off. And if there's a low battery, this little red light will come on. But, oh, I just love it. I can't wait to go to the beach and try to get some lost rings and gold.